I want to show you how I've been using Notion every day. Both my computer and my laptop, of course, but also I have the app that I thought was really useful was I have a throat infection. Good morning and welcome to a new video. I hope you enjoyed this little kind of spend the morning with me as I got breakfast and got ready and everything. Forgot to show you that I did my skincare. It's an everyday thing. I just totally forgot. I always do it right when I get up in the morning, and with half asleep this morning because the clocks changed this weekend and I'm still recovering. It's not the best one. It's like you lose an hour of sleep and I'm struggling. So today I'm getting ready. I just need to pop out for a second to go to the pharmacy to pick up my prescription for my thyroid medication. After that, we're going to get going for the day. I want to show you how I've been using Notion every day since the last video where I started kind of using it because I love it. I cannot live without it, to be completely honest. It's incredible. Okay, earrings. What am I wearing for earrings? I feel like maybe these ones. I feel like I wear the same ones all the time, so I might do the small hoops. Okay. It's actually a little bit later. I ended up having to do something a bit urgent this morning, but we're back. We had some lunch, and like I mentioned, I really wanted to talk about Notion. I've been using Notion for probably 6 months and I've been loving it. I feel like it has really changed how I've been working because I feel so much more organized. I know exactly what I need to get done, when I need to get it done by. It's just so good. I use it every single day, and I use it on both my computer and my laptop, of course, but also I have the app on my phone, which is so useful. And I always love having my to-do list on hand. And like I'm going to mention, I use Notion for several different things, and I love having one space where I can have everything organized. So I do have my to-do list, but I also have kind of my calendar. I have my creative planning, my YouTube editing plan, my creative content ideas and for freelancing work as well. And having one space where everything is organized has made my mind very happy. So I kind of wanted to share with you like how I've been working around the platform, because it's super easy to use. Honestly, I used a template for it. I've customized it a little bit, and then once you kind of know how it works, you're good to go. So I just wanted to show you quickly a few things. I actually think I'm going to kind of redo all of this, but to be honest, I don't spend a lot of time on this page. I mostly usually will go to my to-do list. And if you notice, I have two different ones just because there are things on this one that I can't show you. So the first thing that I've added that I thought was really useful was a general to-do list of things that I've been thinking of doing and having done, but I don't have a specific timeline for it. The next one has been to do this week. So general things that I need to get done, but it's pretty much whenever I will have free time for it. And then I've also added videos to edit in advance. I've been really trying to get a bit more on top of my game with YouTube because of work and personal life. I haven't been able to post as much as I want to, which has been really annoying, and I've been really trying to edit in advance. And there are a few exciting videos that I have for you for April, so I've been really trying to get on top of that. Also, I feel like if I know what I have to edit in advance, I'll find it easier to kind of organize my week. Today is Tuesday. I've done all of that yesterday. What I've been doing as well, which has been so useful, has been to add colors. So I've kind of color coded my tasks. So in blue, you will have anything related to YouTube. Then in green, you will have anything personal. In pink, you will have anything to do with social media. Purple is my business. Anything like important as well will be in yellow, but most of the time, like, the colors that I use are blue, green, and pink, and purple, of course. So today is pretty much more of a personal and YouTube day. Also, I knew that I had my Skype meeting at 4, so didn't plan for too much for today. And then tomorrow is a mixed day, so I have a lot of YouTube things to finish. Also have to work on my business project, and I will go swimming as well. Mental health, you know, so that's why it's in green. And then I also have a Saturday, Sunday category, so that if there's anything specific that I need to get done, I will be able to know exactly what I need to do. Calendar I won't be able to show you because there are a lot of personal things on there, but it's really great. Creative planning has been so useful. Basically put everything that I do creative content wise, and I've put kind of categories, which has been incredible. So I have like kind of the idea of what type of video it is, a bit more detail about it, the genre, upload date, whether it's an idea or it's filmed or it's being filmed, when I started shooting the video, when I finished it, if it's posted, and then that's more of everything that needs to get done for me to be able to post the video. And I've been loving using that because it's so much more clear, everything that needs to get done. And like I said, I'm trying to film in advance, and so whenever I do that, I am able to see exactly what needs to be done. The YouTube editing plan has been incredible as well. I've been working with pretty much the same situation, except that I just put editing started, editing finished, so that I know, depending on the upload date, that everything's done. But I can't show that to you because there are a few exciting videos that I don't want to spoil for you. And same with creative content ideas. It's pretty much every idea that I have for content. I am not using it as much as I should. I've been using more of these two, to be honest, especially for planning. If I have an idea for a video, I'll put it at the bottom without a date or anything, but I just know that it's an idea. So I need to kind of work around this specific one, this specific table, to make sure that it's useful or not. And then freelancing plan, I can't show you because it's about my business, but I've loved having all of these categories and being able to really organize myself. It's crazy because I really used to be one of those people who really loved working with like a physical planner, and I haven't done that in such a long time. I still use notebooks because I love notebooks, but also like it's more for kind of scribbling things down if I have an idea about something when I'm doing something else and I don't want to kind of move around on my computer or take my phone or whatever, because I try not to touch my phone too much. It's just like a really different way of working for me, but I've really found that it has been the best way for me to stay organized and to stay productive. I'm not gonna lie, productivity kind of moves around, like it really depends, and I think it's pretty normal, to be honest, and quite healthy even at times. But for organization, I've never found a way to really be organized. I sometimes would use Excel, but I feel like on Excel, like it's a table, like you don't have many options for the layout. On Notion, you can have anything that you want. You can have tables, you can have like a list, you can have a paragraph of anything, like ideas, creativity, ideas that you could have. It's just so versatile, and also you can make it look really pretty, which is always helpful. But the fact that you can also have an app is incredible. Like sometimes we're in the car, we're driving to see our parents, it's like an hour and a half, 2 hours long, and if I have an idea about something, or if I remember something that needs to be done, I just grab my phone, get into the app and write it down. And the next day or the next morning, whenever I'm trying to kind of organize my week, I can look at it and like, okay, this is a priority, this needs to get done, or I'll add it to the to-do list for the week. It depends, but I've really been loving it. I've really been loving it. So I have my to-do list for the day, like seen, and I still have quite a lot to do this afternoon before my Skype call. It's with like my oldest friends. We've known each other since we were 15. Which is quite crazy because it's been 13 years and we haven't been able to see each other since before COVID, because she lives in Paris and she was supposed to come last weekend and she was not able to because all of her trains were canceled because of the strikes. We don't really know when she'll be able to come, so we just decided to do a Skype just to catch up because it's been such a long time. So I'm really excited about that. I'll kind of like set the scene with the tea and like a little something for a snack, and I'm really excited. But before that, we're going to get some work done. I am done with work for the day and I'm just waiting for my friend to get off work. She was working from home so that we can video chat, and I'm so excited. I really just hope that my brain is going to work because I don't know, at the end of the day it always feels a bit funky, especially when I've been editing for some reason. Ooh, there's a dog. Oh my god, I love that there are so many dogs walking around in my neighborhood all day long because I get kind of my dose of little puppies. I love it. Hello. I have a throat infection, which I'm really happy about. So I didn't film yesterday because I haven't been sleeping well. I felt so bad. So I'm on my way to buy some honey, herbal tea, and like some throat thingies that make you feel so much better. And I cannot wait. I do feel a bit better than yesterday, but still not it. I think you can hear it even. I'm getting so out of breath so easily. So we have so much to do today. So first on the list, got ready to make me feel better. Big thanks to my makeup today to make me feel and look way more alive.